that's the Salton Sea behind the gas station. There's an old gas station we stopped at. And we were discussing what's the odds that the old Hollywood Judy Garland, Fred Astaire, them types stopped at this gas station way back when. It looks like a old grocery store of some sort. I'm gonna check that out here in a minute. Okay, so this is Salton Sea, and we're about right now 15 minutes north of BomBay Beach, and that's where we're headed next after we explore this. Okay, so now I'm inside that gas station, the service center. So this is what we're dealing with here. She's outside, keeping an eye on the truck. We're exploring, I'm not sure. Yeah. Okay, now we're back on the outside of the gas station. Here's the grocery store / whatever it used to be.